Welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm gonna make some butter, so I thought I'd bring y'all along to show you how to do it. So I got a quart, I think, of milk, of heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna pour it into the mixer. You can do it in a blender or a food processor also. And then I'll bring you in here. You can see it. You're just gonna mix it until it forms a solid. Like if you make heavy whipping cream, you take it past that point. And I'm probably gonna have to get a towel to put over it. Because it likes to spray a lot at first. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes and it's like the consistency of whipped cream, like Cool Whip. So if you ever wanted to make Cool Whip, that's how you do that too. You just add a little bit of sugar and vanilla, and then it tastes better than the Cool Whip that you buy at the store. But we're gonna let it keep going so we can get butter. Scrape the sides down so we get it all in there. I don't know if you can tell in there, but it's starting to turn a little bit yellow. So it's starting to turn it into the butter now. It's been like 20 minutes now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting like real kind of grainy looking, like it's starting to separate and stuff. And then you're starting to get the buttermilk down there at the bottom. So let's get it going a little bit longer. Okay, so now all the butter has separated, or all the, well yeah, the butter and the buttermilk is separated. So now you got the solid pieces with all the liquid. So we're gonna take it, get all this out of the mixer, and then we're gonna go put it in a piece of cheesecloth and drain out all the liquid. Bring everything over here. Try and save all this butter. And then we're just gonna scoop the butter out of here and put it on the cheesecloth so we can drain out any liquid. Okay, so my battery died, but I got all the butter in the cheesecloth. I left the buttermilk down in the bowl, and I'm going to squeeze any excess liquids out of the solids. So nothing else is dripping out. So I'm going to put it in a bowl because I forgot to add the salt to it and I wanted salted butter. Good thing that didn't fall out. So that is what it looks like now. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it. And get that worked in a little bit. And then we got this little Bell butter crock. And so you fill the Bell up with the butter, and then you put a little bit of water in the other bowl, and then it's shelf stable for, I don't know, we've had it sitting on there for a few months sometimes, and it's still good. So you just pack it down in here. Just like that. And then just a little bit of water so the top of the rim just kind of sits in it. And then it just sits like that on your countertop whenever you're ready for it. But now with the rest of the butter, I'm going to freeze it so we have it for later. I think I'm going to put it into 2 pieces. And you can put different herbs and stuff in here. So you could put like parsley or thyme or whatever. And you have like a good steak seasoned butter. got 3 little things of butter ready to go in like 30 minutes. So if y'all ever run out of butter and you have heavy whipping cream in your fridge, now you know how to make some butter. And you know how to make Cool Whip also. So see you next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See ya. And one more thing, don't forget to save your buttermilk, and you can use it to make buttermilk biscuits or whatever else you need buttermilk for. And it tastes a lot better than the buttermilk at the store also. Bye.